Political leaders and activists have condemned the Delhi police for causing delay in taking the 23-year-old gang rape victim and her injured friend to hospital. BJP spokesperson Ravi Shankar Prasad said that the Delhi police are trying to control the media to hide its failures.
उस चैनल पर जिसने उस भारत की बेटी के मित्र के इंटरव्यू पर अगर कोई पुलिस कार्रवाई करने की बात की है, बीजेपी इसकी पूरी भर्त्सना करती है. इट नीड्स टू बी कंडेम्ड इन द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉसिबल टर्म्स. दिल्ली की पुलिस अपने फेलियर्स को छुपाने के लिए मीडिया को नियंत्रित करने का काम कर रही है. इसे न देश बर्दाश्त करेगा और बीजेपी इसका पूरा विरोध करेगी. द बीजेपी वुड लाइक टू नो as to what kind of teachings and training the government of India has given to its police in Delhi. Saving the life of critically injured people is more important or fighting over jurisdiction is more important. ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है.
Senior CPIM leader Brinda Karat said that the male friend of the gang rape victim had by his choice made the decision of coming out in public and nobody can question him.
This section 228A is a section which women's organizations had demanded much earlier for protection of the victim, because once a victim's identity gets known, there are many implications for the victim, and unless the victim herself decides to come forward and reveal her identity, nobody else except the victim can do so. That is very clear in the law, and that has to be observed, and those who do not observe it are against the law. But in this particular case, the boy who is also a victim is himself revealing the terrible traumatic experience that he has gone through. Nobody can stop him from doing that. And the use of 228A in this case by the Delhi police and the government seem to be more to protect themselves rather than the victims.
Slamming the Delhi police, former IPS officer Kiran Bedi said that it is a case of drought of humanity.
The victim has poured his heart out, and I think this is a statement first of its kind. I hope it's the last of its kind. It's a saga of suffering and agony. How preventable it was, but how nobody came out of habit, came to his help. Whether it was callous people, whether it was three-wheeler drivers, whether they were two-wheelers or car drivers, or it was a police control room van. It's a whole drought of humanity. It's a case of total drought, and drought comes when there is no rain for years together. Here there was no training of humanity over years. That is why you've had this drought.
Meanwhile, the Delhi police has lodged a case against Zee News channel for revealing the identity of the gang rape victim by carrying an interview of her friend who was the lone witness in the case. Delhi police spokesperson Rajan Bhagat said that the case will be filed in the Vasant Vihar police station under section 228A of the IPC, which pertains to disclosure of identity of victims of certain offences including rape. In the interview to the television channel, the person severely criticized the time taken by the police to respond and the indifference of the public while he and the girl lay on the road after being thrown out of the bus. Correspondent Anup from New Delhi for ANI.